I got a headache now from that petrol.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright. That's enough, that's enough.
No, keep going.
That's enough,
Keep going.
That's enough.
Keep going. Keep going.
That's enough.
Go.
Keep going.
That's enough.
That's enough.
You're wasting my petrol. And my
I'm
t-shirt.
petrol. Hooray!
Oh my god, I don't want to do this.
I'll do it.
Let me shut this door, let me shut this door.
Why didn't you want to do it?
Because it's loud. Sorry?
That was a pit bike.
Are you ready? Not that loud.
Oh, you got it that My turn.
Sounds well good.
Don't. Why you go on and pull it?
Hey man, the blue is then.
Oh, well done. Look at him. He's fucked this pool.
Oh, you're funny, Luke.
If that thing breaks...
I don't think I can enjoy you guys just starting up a mini moped.
Oh, fuck it, you have a go. I can't be bothered.
You do it.
Oh, let me have a go.
You won't be able to do it. You've got to really pull it.
Can I have one go?
Ready?
More fuel.
Fuel, please.
I love it, I love it.
Pull.
God, that is hard to pull.
Okay, pull.
No, keep going. You know, petrol is cleaner.
The what?
No, it's a cleanser.
Yeah. I've got a chunk out my finger. Look.
Go, go, go!
It's right loud, isn't it?
No, it's quite quiet actually.
Ah.
I think we should do this at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Just think riding it's out the exhaust.
Oh shit, stop.
Can you do this? Exhaust, isn't it?
Yeah, but,
Yeah, but look, it's disconnected at the
We've
front.
took it off at the front.
Go, go, go.
It's just a hole. Hence
gonna be
the
a
sound comes out the front and the back.
Is exhaust just a silence thing? Is that it?
That's a silencer.
And it
takes
gives
most
it,
of the
and
bad
it gives
stuff
it,
out of it.
Is it?
and it
Oh,
gives
gets
it
bad stuff out of
back, a little bit of back pressure.
It's got more power. That's enough, that's enough.
Can I have a pull?
You probably won't be able to start it because
I
you've got to
doubt
proper pull it.
Put it in there.
And then shed again.
Can I have one pull? See if I can pull it.
You got to have throttle as well. Go on, proper pull it, proper pull it.
Okay, 3.
And again, come on.
Oh, it's hurt my arm.
Yeah. Let me have a go. Yeah, boy.
Okay, that hurt. My hand.
Camera can't see.
Just got a nice touch.
I think more fuel.
I started it like a bit.
More fuel.
Your fuel.
Your
Why
fuel.
did it stop again when I started it?
Because,
No fuel in it.
yeah, not enough.
Okay.
Pause. Can I start it this time?
No, I won't start it.
Okay, then me next.
I ain't starting mine.
Hold on a minute.
I'm starting.
Luke, give me than you. That's enough, that's enough. Right.
Right then, somebody hold this.
Stand one at life so you can see properly.
I can do it.
Aaron tonight then.
Probably on his computer, yo.
More petrol. How many squirts did you put in?
Not many.
Let's see if it'll go on.
No, it won't.
Why, honey?
Yeah, more.
Why?
Oh, that's all shitty.
Should have gave me that, should you?
Shouldn't take more. Yeah, it does take more.
Ah! Oh no, not again!
Yeah, but that little bit really
Have you seen my Bebo video? Go have a look at it.
Put that one of these on it.
I will. But I'll keep mine on for a couple of days. The new one I got on.
What is it?
Hit bikes.
You'll have 3 at a time. Sharon. And then yeah, you can look at everyone and we can look at the rest of the world.
You actually got a really good Bebo.
Thank you.
I've got
I'm a
Bebo.
beginner.
You got Bebo?
Yeah, only. I haven't heard it for very long.
You provide.
About a
You
week.
need to find me.
I know.
It says I've had it since December 2005. I've only had my profile about a year and a half, 2. What if I get on?
I'm
like,
coming around for a
Vegas,
year in
then
July.
I'm not.
I reckon it's about a year and a half.
I think I got mine August 07.
What's that?
No, a year and 08.
What's that? Nah, you've been that long. That's enough. Oh, I know it's all
Last time I was doing science revision and stuff with that, and that was this year.
That's enough. Touch.
I'm going to take the hoodie off. Get enough though. She ain't going.
Huh?
She ain't going.
No.
Petrol. Plug it in.
Petroleum, lad. Why is it starting? Because it's toy. She might be a bit hot though.
She might need a bit of a bang.
What's she called?
She.
Mini moto. Ting Ton Tings, the Chinese.
Oh, 42 minutes off. I did find the exhaust hole. What?
Yeah, that's
What help if we're in the field?
Bloody hell, that petrol, fucking hell. And here we see a lovely collection of wheelbarrows. If anybody would like to purchase one, they cost £50 plus VAT. They has not been stolen, so please do not come knocking on my door saying it's your bloody wheelbarrow.
Don't, only one squirt, that's enough.
Oh, bollocks. Don't go very long, does it?
You can really hear the pistons firing.
I think these pistons are better than that one.
What?
These pistons are better than that one.
go. Need more fuel. Oh, how do I do it? You need to hold the fuel lines in.
I'm recording. No.
What is you annoying?
No. Fucking bastard. If you go and stick that, go to a petrol station.
I do. I open a window at that station.
Lewis.
There.
Lewis. Push that door in and go around the back. Go to them diesel cans at the back and have a good old whiff of them.
Oh, it's true.
I'm not recording.
Is this Elton John?
No.
Let's get fuel lines in. Familiar faces,
Oh shit. Bit of water's just gone in the speaker.